Welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be installing a front lip. And yes, this just came in yesterday and we are going to be installing it. So the first thing what we're going to have to do is that we're going to have to mount this on the car first. But first, we're going to have to sand a little bit on the edges right here where the 3M is going to stick, because right now it's not going to stick because you know, it's too smooth and like slippery. Although I already cleaned it with alcohol, it's still not enough, so we're just gonna have to sand it down just a little bit. It's already been sanded down perfectly, and I only used 150 grit. So you just want to get it scuffed, not too much, but not too deep, because we just really want this just to stick. So we're gonna douse this in alcohol really quick, and then just wipe it down, and then after that, put some 3M tape on this. So in order to install the aftermarket lip, we have to take off this factory lip, and it's only a couple screws underneath, which is some right here and some underneath here, and it requires a Phillips screwdriver. So we're just going to go ahead and just take this off real quick. All right, the lip is on, but I want to add a little bit more self-tappers because it was basically a plug and play where you just take off the OEM one and you just put it on, and then put on the OEM screws where it belongs, and it fits directly on there. But there is a little gap, but I'm going to put more self-tappers on the edges just in case, because I know that's where it's going to be hitting the most. But overall, just installing it was actually very easy. So I'm going to finish this up, and then we'll start prepping for paint.